Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a good first day of the week this week. Just wanted to do a quick video to show you some of the offerings we have, some of the new items. And so one exciting thing is that we now have lamb in our freezer. So we have all kinds of good stuff. We have lamb rib chops, lamb shank. We have a rack of lamb right there. We have some lamb leg of lamb, lamb stew meats, ground lamb, and we even have some really delicious looking lamb Greek links. So come and check that out. In addition to all of our other meat offerings, we have all of our own beef and pork, and then we do bring in some added items too to supplement for your needs. We have some chicken thighs, chicken breasts, some whole turkey breast, some ground turkey, some Black River products, all kinds of good stuff. The other thing that we have someone had expressed interest in the past in peach cobbler, and we don't have peach cobbler, but check out what we have from Black Forest Cafe. We have a delicious looking spiced peach pie, both in a large and small size. So come and check that out. We get their pies delivered fresh, and they are really amazing. So check those out. We have cherry as well, and also I believe over here we have some apple ones. We have a straight up classic apple pie, and then we have there's another one of those yummy looking spiced peach pies, and the little cherry pies as well. So check that out. We have a nice looking bread table right now. We have some of our own loaf breads, molasses oat, multigrain. We also have some delicious looking baked goods. If you missed weekend donuts, we have some packaged up for you, both in the cinnamon sugar as well as in the plain. All the types are apple cider. And then we also have some sourdough bread. We have the Kalamata olive, as well as the rustic, which is just like a classic plain sourdough. And we have some jalapeno cheddar that is fresh that we can bag up for you if you are interested in that as well. In terms of our fridge case, here's what we have available for today. Chop suey, chili, as well as vegetarian chili, curried pumpkin bisque, that sounds great, turkey rice soup, some of that Yankee Chef fish chowder, so no shellfish in there. So if you have a shellfish allergy, that is safe for you to try. We have some pieces of meat lasagna, some really beautiful looking turkey and potato, turkey breast and rosemary potato dinner right there. Stuffed poblano peppers, macaroni and cheese, which is to die for. If you're trying to keep it a little more healthy, we have some yummy salad, and we have some little homemade dressing in the back there, that avocado lime ranch that Rachel made. We have a nice roasted pepper scallion and tomato basil quiche, the asparagus and bacon strata, which is kind of like a savory bread pudding. We have some dessert items over here, the chocolate cherry cheesecake, the coffee panna cotta, a really cool looking fruit with, if you can see it in there, it's kind of hiding, the chocolate dipped cheesecake with strawberries on the side. So that looks amazing. Check that out. Some berries, some roasted potatoes as a side, herb roasted root vegetables as a side, egg salad. Our egg salad is actually quite popular, so come and check that out. Rachel made some chicken salad, which looks, and I got to taste it, and it tastes amazing. Some farro salad, and that is a vegetarian option for folks that are looking for that. Some green olives. And so just a reminder that if you purchase at least $6 worth of food from our prepared foods from our fridge case, you get a Parker & Sons hot coffee for $1 up until 1 p.m. Another reminder that we, of course, still have all of our online ordering, tromblygardens.net, as well as you can call and do a phone order, 673-0647, for either a porch pickup, contactless porch pickup, or delivery if you purchase over $50 worth of products. And you can even sign up for our CSA online. Go to tromblygardens.net/CSA. There are some added fees if you purchase that online for the summer 2021 season. And if you prefer to not pay those credit card fees, you can always come in person and sign up for any of our programs, both Farm Bucks and CSA in person here at the stand. So there's the info sheet, 3 different sizes. We added a mini size, medium, and large, plus all of those cool add-ons. You can get a bakery share, a seasonal surplus, I started calling it, bulk canning and freezing share, egg, flour, fruit, sourdough bread, meat shares with our own beef and pork, all kinds of good stuff. And as well as farm bucks. Right now, you get a 10% bonus if you sign up this time of year, if you put at least $150 down on your card, and we'll give you a 10% bonus on that through the end of the month. So I'm just going to scroll and see if anyone has any questions. If you have any questions, type them below now. But yeah, we're open till 6 today. And if you are interested in any of those programs, you can download a form on our website at tremblaygardens.net. And if you go tremblaygardens.net/CSA, and then the form, if you want to fill it out and drop it by with a check or mail it, that's a way to save on those credit card fees. The address is 150 North River Road in Milford, New Hampshire, 03055. Phone number is 673-0647. And feel free to call or email any questions, or private message the Facebook page if you have any questions about any of our items or products. And we're here for you. All right, thanks everybody. Have a good day.